Всем привет, с вами снова Тетрис, это четвертая серия прохождения Sleeping Dogs. Я решил все-таки, снять его, Outlast я уже прошел. Ну, также, я не знаю, может быть, скоро будет еще какой-нибудь хоррор, может быть, пройду дополнение Outlast. Вот так, сейчас пока буду доснимать Sleeping Dogs.
Excuse me, do you speak English?
I like to think so. Well, enough to get by anyways. You?
Yeah, Wait, what do you mean? Oh, yeah, I speak English.
I kind of guessed. What can I do for you?
I'm looking for this place, Old Temple Academy. I thought it was around here. It's supposed to be a Kung Fu school, but I'm totally lost. I have no sense of direction.
Yeah, I think I know where it is. I mean, it's not too far. I can give you a ride. I mean, it'll be easier than explaining where it is.
Okay, yeah, that'd be really great. My name's Amanda, by the way. Or Amy. Either one is fine.
Oh, nice to meet you, Amy. I'm Wei.
Знакомились с Эми какой-то. Сейчас повезем его в школу Кунгфу.
So what brings you to Hong Kong? Are you thinking of becoming Chinese?
No, I just finished college, and I'm doing a bit of traveling. You know, figuring out what to do with my life, that sort of thing.
How's that going?
Well, I've only been traveling for a few weeks.
So this is the Bam Bam Club.
Back home, I saw a restaurant.
Don't let the locals hear you say that.
Well, I've only been traveling for a few weeks, so no real progress on the life front. But I'm checking out Hong Kong.
Занимался, не знаю, я хотел катал по городу, блядь.
You got it all figured out?
I wouldn't say that. You know, I got a few family issues I'm working on clearing up. Maybe once that's dealt with, I'll get on to figuring out life.
Oh, yeah? You got any pointers?
Well, the trick to Hong Kong is learning to live by ancient Chinese wisdom. Look both ways before crossing the street. Always buckle your seatbelt, and only apply makeup at red lights. Don't text and drive, you know, that kind of thing.
Words to live by. Wow. This is a pretty cool place for a Kung Fu school.
Fortunately, the school isn't in the temple. Not that temple, anyway.
Didn't they use this temple as a backdrop for, what was it, Fists of Carnage?
No, it was used in the grandfathers of the Shaolin Fist.
Разговаривают. Это нам будет очень серьезные дела. А то мне это уже не нравится.
Please don't do that!
Что делают кончить спиди.
Isn't this school supposed to be in a temple?
Нет, не должна. Да мухи или прилетать на них.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I'd like to sign up for some Kung Fu classes. I read about your school in my guidebook.
Your guidebook.
Yeah, it said you teach a style with a long lineage, but in spite of all that, it's still considered very effective.
You want to take classes, okay. And you? Did you also read about this place in some book?
Well,
Wait. I know you.
Yes, Sifu Kwok. I used to be your student. I'm Wei Shen.
Yes. The one who went to America. So you brought this girl back with you. Your skill level with girls, very good. Now time to assess your skill level in Kung Fu.
Так. Что надо делать? Бля, тренировка непонятная
I
какая-то.
see time in America has
Всё.
rusted your skills.
Подсечка.
Apparently it's rusted your concentration.
Кто-то едет за ним, да, сука? Тот мастер боевых искусств.
All men must lose their time. Not to American kids.
Все, всех отдел.
I try to steer them in the right direction, especially the younger ones.
Так, ребят, я снова вернулся. Продолжаем играть. Так, куда мне ехать? Клуб. Управление здесь долбанутое, конечно, с камерой вообще.
看着你，愿你的背影我不够勇气。想着你，过去。
嗰條冚家產啊！你條仆街妖仔！喂 ，get over here now.
What's
Что
going on,
тут
Winston?
случилось?
It's Benny, manager of Club Bam Bam, old friend of mine. Now he's working for Dog Eyes. That Hamgatan is getting back at us for taking his minibus route.
Look, I'll go talk to Benny, make him see reason.
Yeah. Yeah, wait, you go do that.
Воу, это да. Тут моток получше даже.
Are you gonna let me in?
What do you think you're doing?
I got a message from Dog Eyes. You want to tell him you sent me away?
Dog Eyes? Oh, sorry, of course. Come on in, sir.
Так легко прорвались в клуб. Как-то изи.
Hey, buddy. VIPs only.
What's going on in there?
This is one of the best karaoke rooms in the city. Nobody gets in without a hostess or the boss's approval.
I'm sure we can work something out.
Work something out with the hostess.
Пойду в хозяйку зала договориться.
Whoa, damn. Hey, what's your name?
I'm Tiffany. Nice to meet you.
I'm Wei. Wei Shen. You're a karaoke hostess, right? Can you get me into the VIP room?
Sure. Just come with me. You have a bit of an accent. Are you from around here?
Yeah, originally, but, you know, I was in the States for a long time.
Oh, that's so cool. I always wanted to go.
So, what's Benny like?
Benny? You mean the manager?
Yeah,
Benny's nice enough. He always makes sure you get paid on time.
that's good. So, who does he rely on for protection?
Let's go sing. Come on.
Нам
Sing me
эти
a
вон
song.
песни чудо.
Hi, what's up? That's super. Whoa, that's great. My first official report.
Нихуя себе тут сложноватенько тут песня, блядь. Будто в танцуй какие-нибудь играешь, блядь, стрелочкой управляешь. Ну, 94 неплохо.
Wow, you're actually really good.
Listen, I like it down here, but back home, I'm used to a little more. You'd be the person I talk to about that, right? Can I get a VIP room?
Yes, of course. It's much nicer up there. Go ahead to the lounge upstairs. I'll get the room set up.
Спасибо, что пустили. Ну иди сюда, Бенни, я сейчас тебе покажу, что тут папка.
Oh, hey. Who the fuck are you?
I'm looking for Benny.
Hey, Benny!
Yeah.
Some guy here wants to talk to you.
Hey, what can I do for you?
I have a message from an old friend, Winston Chu.
Winston? Well, this isn't such a good idea. I think you should
He
leave.
wants you to know that Dog Eyes isn't your problem anymore. If he gives you any trouble, you let Winston know,
начнется на
and I'll
место,
take
он
care of
русский.
it, personally.
You heard that, man. Get the fuck out of here.
Everybody out!
Ты достал меня, блядь. Через воздух.
Benny, get the
Можем
fuck out
еще и
here!
рыбой драться.
Benny, I know you're in there!
Улыбайся. Качки. Сюда рыбка. Нахуй ничего. Сука, ты выбил мне леща. Нахуй. Плохо. По-моему, умеет даже болеть. не дает. Блин, как ты? Воу. А, мы не можем отсюда. Блядь, да. Камон. Ну, покажу, как я просто с мячом. Тяжело, боечку одному. Находи немножко в лицо.
Relax, Benny. I'm not gonna kill you.
Okay.
Just listen.
Okay. What do you want?
Just what I said. Winston wants to be your friend.
And what about Dog Eyes?
Not your problem.
I hope you're right. For my sake. Can I go now?
Of course you can, Benny.
Так, ну вот заварушка кончилась. О, можем улучшить что-нибудь. Почти фулл триаду раскачали.
You're late.
Conroy's still watching.
О,
He's
с
got a real
инспектором
hard on.
встретились.
Is your cover compromised?
Well, you haven't fished me out of the harbor yet.
All right. How are you doing?
How am I doing? Fuck, Raymond, where do I start? There's a civil war brewing in the Sun on Yi. Winston and Dog Eyes escalated practically every day. Don't you read my fucking reports?
I mean, you personally. How are you doing?
Look, Raymond, I gotta get back.
Your state of mind is important, Wayne. It's important to me. It's important to how you do your job.
Fuck you. I do my job just fine.
Well, that's for me to decide.
You mean Pendrew?
Pendrew assigned me as your controller. And listen, Wayne, Pendrew may not be concerned about you, but I am. I know you have a personal stake here, but this cannot be a vendetta. We're cops. There are rules.
You're a cop. I'm an undercover cop. The rules are different. And you're fucking concerned about me?
You are an officer of the law, Wayne, same as me.
We are not the same. You understand? We done?
Yeah, we're done.
Ну что, дорогие ребята, спасибо всем за просмотр. Кому понравилось, ставим лайки, подписываемся на канал. С вами был Тетрис.